Have you ever felt your heart race, palms sweat, or your stomach twist, even when nothing dangerous is around? You might be sitting at your desk, scrolling through your phone, or lying in bed, and suddenly, a wave of fear hits you. Your mind starts imagining the worst. Maybe you're thinking, what if I fail? Or what if something bad happens? Even though there's no real threat, that's your mind tricking you. Fear is a natural emotion. It's meant to keep us safe. Imagine a caveman seeing a lion. Fear would trigger his brain to either fight or run. That's survival mode. But today, most of the fear we feel isn't about lions or real danger. It's about thoughts, memories, or what-if scenarios your mind creates. Scientists call this imaginary fear or anticipatory anxiety. Your brain reacts to a threat that doesn't exist. Your mind creates stories, sometimes so realistic that your body reacts physically. Heart racing, tension in your shoulders, a knot in your stomach. And the weirdest part? Your mind believes these stories are real, even when they're not. Your brain does this for a few reasons. First, evolutionary wiring. It's always scanning for threats, even imaginary ones. Second, past experiences. Trauma, embarrassment, or failure can make your brain predict danger, even when none exists. Third, overthinking and what-if loops. When you replay situations in your head, imagining every worst-case scenario, your brain treats those thoughts like reality. Here's the tricky part. Your body reacts to imagined fear exactly like real fear. Your heart races, your muscles tighten, and your mind feels stuck. That's why you might feel like something bad is coming, even when it's not. Examples of imaginary fear. Example 1, the presentation. Imagine you have to give a presentation. Your mind starts creating scenes. You forget everything. Everyone laughs at you. You fail. Your body reacts, heart racing, sweaty palms. But the presentation hasn't even started. Most people find it goes fine. Fear was all in the mind. Example 2, relationship worry. Someone didn't text back. Your mind says, they're upset, they don't like me anymore. Your chest tightens, your stomach twists. But in reality, maybe they're busy, tired, or distracted. Your mind made up a story. Example 3, what if job anxiety? You worry about losing your job months before anything happens. Your sleep suffers, your mood drops, yet your job is safe. Your mind just created fear ahead of time. Practical solutions and daily plan. Step 1, name it. When fear hits, tell yourself, this is just my mind overreacting. There's no real danger. Naming it takes away its power. Step 2, focus on facts, not stories. Ask yourself, what evidence do I have that this will actually happen? Most fears are based on what-if stories, not facts. Step 3, breathe and relax. Your body, when fear strikes, slow, deep breaths signal your brain, we're safe. Try inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4, exhaling for 6. Repeat a few times. Step 4, ground yourself in the present. Fake fear lives in the future or past. Bring yourself back to right now. What's happening at this moment? Most often, nothing dangerous. Step 5, question your thoughts. Ask, is this realistic? Am I predicting a problem that might never happen? Have I handled similar situations before? This helps your mind realize the threat isn't real. Step 6, journaling fears. Write down your fears. Seeing them on paper helps you realize they're thoughts, not reality. Step 7, exposure. If your mind fears a situation, slowly expose yourself to it. Small steps build confidence and show your brain it's safe. Step 8, mindfulness and meditation. Daily mindfulness teaches your brain to observe thoughts without reacting. You'll notice fear coming up and let it pass. Step 9, positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts like, I can't handle this, with, I've handled challenges before, I can handle this too. Step 10, limit triggers. Be mindful of news, social media, or toxic people that feed imaginary fears. Protect your mental space. Daily check-in plan. Morning. Ask, am I worrying about something that isn't real? Pause and breathe whenever fear hits. Reality test. Is this happening now, or is it in my head? Weekly journaling. Write down fears and how they played out. Most will be imaginary. Reminder, I am safe. My mind creates stories. I choose what to believe. Fear is often just a habit. Awareness is power. Once you notice, my mind is creating fear that isn't real, you take back control. Step by step, day by day, your mind will stop controlling you with imaginary threats. If this video helped you understand how your mind creates fake fear, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I share simple, practical psychology tips that help you understand your mind and live a calmer, stronger life. Remember, most fear is just your mind's story. You get to choose whether to believe it or not. Stay calm, stay aware, see reality clearly.